Sultana, Sultana, Sultana. Let me unwrap you by saying that, why is your face so light and your body down there is so dark? Sultana, Sultana, Sultana. Sultana, Sultana, Sultana. Let me tell you something, baby. You can unwrap all you want to do, but you can't be unwrapping and peeing in everybody's bed. Sultana, Sultana, Sultana. Let me tell you something, baby. You can move around all you want, but you will still be unwrapped by every man here. No offense, don't take him seriously. Ah, he's Joko, he's Joko, he's Joko, he's Joko. So she said she's taking it serious. So.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm sure it's just Joko, it's just Joko.
Fire or no.
Sultana, Sultana, Sultana. Let me tell you something, baby. Oh, I feel so bad. First of all, you can unwrap all you want, but at the end of the day, it's just hips you have, you don't have ass at all.
Go on. Continue now, continue.
Well, I don't know. I don't say you go bad, but yeah, let's have it, baby.
I'm picking the same thing now. But I'm picking the same thing. Calm down. You guys should relax. Unleash. Kola.
Yes, baby.
You came to the house to unleash yourself to a maiden, but she no can agree accept you. Unleashing, Kola. You said you are here to unleash. You are here to unleash. You still never unleash anything. Make we see. What is this one saying now?